Yep, I certainly am.
Okay, well, let's go.
Actually, do you mind giving me like a quick second or two?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, okay.
Alright, you got this. You got this. Don't fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. Hey, you're right. There's not much trash here at all.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. You can just go ahead. I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Why?
Cause I'm gonna take care of a little business around this tree. Yeah.
Right, okay. Birds. The birds. Hello?
Hey! You can't smoke here in these woods in here. This is the woods in here.
It makes what?
Put it out!
What's going on? Why are you up there?
Well, I guess if we're gonna start dating, I guess I should tell you. I fucking love climbing trees, dude. I love it. There's such a feeling of freedom. I feel so free. And you know, whenever I'm rubbing up against a tree, I feel like I'm gaining its knowledge. You know, trees are fucking old. They know a lot of shit. Anyway, I wasn't gonna tell you, but you know, you see me, so I just told you. Anyway, I'm sorry I ruined our date.
Look, we're all a little weird, okay? I bite my nails sometimes. It's okay.
You bite your nails? Is that because you also smoke cigarettes? You know that's fucking bad for you.
Oh,
Idiot.
okay, I think I'm gonna leave.
What? Well, I guess another one rides the bus.